Dear students, welcome to PMDC online lecture room. Today we are going to discuss trends and chemical reaction of second A group with different elements. First is trends and reaction with water. Second A group elements react slowly with water, liberating hydrogen gas, forming hydroxide as compared to first A group element. The reaction becomes vigorous with increase in atomic number. However, beryllium does not react with water or steam at red heat condition. Why is beryllium does not react with water? Because beryllium is least electropositive among all its group. So it cannot show any type of chemical reaction with water either in cold state or either in the steam state. Second A group element becomes more reactive towards water as we go down the group. Second, reaction with oxygen and nitrogen. First of all, formation of simple oxides. Elements of second A group react immediately with oxygen, forming simple oxides. For example, calcium react with oxygen, forming calcium oxide. Beryllium, however, is reluctant towards oxygen by forming oxide coat of BeO, which stop upcoming oxygen. Now, what about the formation of peroxide on heating with oxygen? Beryllium, magnesium and calcium do not form peroxide. Strontium and barium form peroxides upon reaction with water. This is because strontium and barium are more electropositive as compared to rest of the group member, so they have high electropositivity value, so they react with oxygen immediately by forming peroxides. These are some peroxide. For example, strontium plus oxygen give strontium peroxide. Look at single oxygen has -1 oxidation state, and whenever there is a -1 charge or uninegative charge on oxygen and any type of oxide, then that will be regarded as a peroxide. Formation of nitride on heating in air. As we know that air contains nitrogen in higher proportion than oxygen. However, elements of second A react with nitrogen, also forming nitride, which are highly ionic, except beryllium, whom nitride is covalent in nature due to the least electropositive character of beryllium. The first one is magnesium nitride. This is considered as ionic. And the second one, the nitride of beryllium, is covalent in nature because beryllium has least electropositive character, so its nitride is covalent in nature. What are the important short questions regarding this topic? Question number 1. Explain why beryllium do not form peroxide with oxygen. Question number 2. Element of second A become more reactive towards water down the group. Why? Question number 3. What are normal oxides and peroxide? Give examples. Important MCQs. MCQs number 1. Which of the following is incorrect order of ionization energy? You have to select the incorrect order. Option A, sodium is more than potassium. Option B, calcium is more than strontium. Option C, beryllium is more than barium. And option D, barium is more than radium. MCQs number 2. Identify element which shows higher affinity towards oxygen of water. Option A, beryllium. Option B, magnesium. Option C, calcium. Option D, lithium. MCQs number 3. Which of the following is high melting nitride? Option A, beryllium nitride. Option B, magnesium nitride. Option C, calcium nitride. Option D, strontium nitride. Now, in the last, we have to give you an assignment, and it has 2 questions. You have to solve and write it. Explain why nitride of beryllium are covalent and not ionic. Question number 2. What do you mean by oxide coat? Take care and thanks.